Welcome to our channel with a new video. The coronavirus is affecting large-scale business and consumer behavior. Both the public and private sectors are scrambling to slow the spread of the disease. As the coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, epidemic spreads around the world, Business Insider Intelligence and eBackers are working to analyze the commercial impact of viruses in each and every business field. But some businesses are finding it really difficult and struggling hard to run their business. In this video, we will explore some businesses that are affected immensely by the coronavirus and struggling very hard to keep their business going. Impact of COVID-19 on the restaurant and hospitality industry. The impact that businesses in the restaurant and hospitality industries are currently experiencing as a result of the COVID-19 epidemic, and more directly, the rapidly increasing social distance requirements and travel restrictions, as well as the increasing government accommodation orders, are unprecedented in its breadth and intensity. Unless there is more clarity on the epidemic, publicly traded restaurants and hospitality companies withdrew the revenue guidelines last week, and small businesses in these industries face more uncertainty. Most full-service restaurants operate in small portions of capacity if they are not completely closed as a result of a government order, or as a bad option in the hope of at least reopening cash after restrictions are lifted. With people willing to be comfortable, including inventory and supply chain benefits, the focus has shifted to carry-out and delivery models, and even cut out the baskets and butcher shops available to some customers. Although hotels are generally exempt from state and local closure orders, restrictions on social meeting requirements and group meetings leave most guest rooms and ballrooms vacant. As a result, many large and small hotel owners now choose to close their doors. The federal stimulus bill was recently passed by the Senate, and the House approved the staffing and expansion of existing Small Business Administration loan programs in the restaurant and hospitality industries, and was expected to be signed into law and included a relief dedicated to businesses. In addition, all businesses in the restaurant and hospitality industries are expected to benefit from a variety of tax breaks, and large operations may be applicants under the large bailout loan program run by the Treasury Department. Meanwhile, businesses in the restaurant and hospitality sectors need to do what they can to stay in the best position to return to normal services after this period. Impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on cinema. The COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on the film industry in 2020, reflecting its impact on all areas of the arts. Around the world and at various levels, movie theaters are closed, festivals are cancelled or postponed, and movie releases are changed to future dates or delayed indefinitely. With the closure of cinemas and movie theaters, billions of dollars fell at the global box office, streaming became more popular, and the film exhibitors' stock plummeted. In fact, most blockbusters released between March and November have been worldwide postponed or cancelled, as well as film production halted. The Chinese film industry lost $2 billion by March 2020, closing all theaters during the Lunar New Year, affecting the industry across Asia. Impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on theme parks. It all started strongly in 2020, when the major theme park companies hit the COVID-19 epidemic and sent profits down. The presence of promising and growing large losses in revenue led to the spread of the coronavirus, which forced theme parks around the world to close indefinitely. Before our parks closed, we had a strong start from 2020, with record-breaking results from February. Mark Swanson, interim CEO of SeaWorld Entertainment, said in a statement. This performance is a continuation of the strong financial results we have provided over the past 2 years. Recent quarterly reports from major theme park companies provide an overview of the financial woes that led to the epidemic. The disappearance from the theme park giants' attendance and revenue from the busy summer season will cause more financial hardship. All of the big industry players have reduced the cost of cash. They reduced labor costs, reduced operating costs, and reduced capital expenditure on new attractions. And most of them are looking for new capital for the Wall Street hurricane weather. Impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on wildlife tourism. The coronavirus is disrupting nature-based tourism around the world, making it harder for employees and their communities to stay afloat. M. Kyrie has been working as a park guide for more than 2 decades, with the constant deception of tourists eager to wander through the lush forests of western Indonesia or change into an endangered orange. Like the thousands who make a living from the archipelago's 56 sanctuaries closed in March to help spread the coronavirus novel, Kyrie has now quit his job and is struggling to meet "It's enough to buy rice," said the 48-year-old, whose income fell 75% a week to $17. Speaking to the Thomson Reuters Foundation, his fellow guide at Gunung Leuser National Park on the island of Sumatra said, "500 of us have lost our jobs." According to an estimate at Johns Hopkins University, more than 3.5 million COVID-19 cases have been diagnosed worldwide, killing 250,000 people. As countries shut down their economies to stop respiratory diseases, banning the movement, national parks and conservation areas are also suffering. Impacts of COVID-19 on shopping malls. We are living through this epidemic that has affected the world in the worst way on the low or high ground. This hindered world construction economically and financially. Although it affected people's lives, it led to a large decline in lower and upper level professions. We have seen that the coronavirus affects retailers. Malls are usually built around anchor stores, which have several floors. All the small shops in between selling clothes or jewelry or hot pretzels rely on anchors to carry customers. During the epidemic, all shopping malls are closed so that social distance is maintained, and shopping malls are the most visited and crowded places in view of people's lives. Various shopping brands have started their business online with a focus on their sales. In this situation, the government has announced that it is lifting the lockdown despite a huge increase in the number of COVID-19 cases. People are not following the guidelines given by the government, so in view of this situation, many markets in different parts of the country have been closed. Impact of coronavirus on manufacturing industries. The impact of COVID-19 on the global manufacturing industry can be classified as isolated manufacturing, i.e. automobile, machinery and electronics, metals, aviation, etc. and process manufacturing, i.e. food and beverage, chemicals, pharmaceuticals and medical equipment. Paints and coatings, and personal care and cosmetics. The disruptive effects of COVID-19 are putting severe pressure on the supply of medical products worldwide, causing scarcity problems. The United States and other major pharmaceutical and medical device manufacturers rely heavily on direct and indirect sourcing materials from China, where the virus originated. With limited operational capacity in China, they are now facing high losses and supply shortages. In the current scenario, food and beverage manufacturers are facing supply chain problems, along with consumption reduction. The supply of raw materials and equipment at the production sites was severely affected, production was disrupted, and manufacturers had to cease operations. In addition, the availability of manpower has been another major headache in times of social distance. As a result, food and beverage companies lost 22% of their business worldwide. The global personal care and cosmetics manufacturing industry, which can classify skin care, hair care, perfumes and other cosmetics, declined sales during the COVID-19 outbreak as it was offline in various locations around the world. As many countries around the world are still in lockdown mode, personal care and cosmetics manufacturers have had to close their production units due to labor shortages, making it harder to find markets where goods can be exported to reduce demand. Impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on tourism. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the tourism industry, resulting in reduced travel restrictions and reduced passenger demand. The spread of coronavirus has greatly affected the tourism sector, as many countries have imposed travel restrictions in an effort to curb its spread. The United Nations World Tourism Organization estimates that global international tourist arrivals will fall by 20 to 30% by 2020, causing a loss of $30 to 50 billion. In many cities around the world, planned travel is reduced by 80 to 90%. Conflicting and arbitrary travel restrictions occurred regionally, and many tourist attractions around the world, such as museums, amusement parks and sports venues, were closed. As a result of the epidemic, many countries and regions have imposed restrictions, entry restrictions, or other restrictions on citizens or recent travelers in the most affected areas. Other countries and territories have imposed global restrictions that apply to all foreign countries and territories or prohibit their own citizens from traveling abroad. 5 restrictions in those sectors have had a negative economic impact on the travel sector due to a declining willingness to travel together. The decline of business travel and international conferencing and the growth of their virtual, online counterparts have a long-term impact. Concerns have been raised about the impact of travel restrictions on preventing the spread of COVID-19. So that is it from our side. If you know any other businesses that are struggling very hard in this pandemic, then please let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed our video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for great videos like this one. We hope you enjoyed our video and we will see you next time.